almost forgot to start today's vlog, but here I am. Hello, happy, what day is it? Is it Wednesday? I guess it is Wednesday. So happy Wednesday, Vlogtober day. What day is it? 24, 23. Vlogtober day 23. Happy Wednesday, Vlogtober day 23. All right, I got it. So I got off work a little while ago. It was pretty damn busy, so I'm like exhausted right now, and I don't feel that great either. I just feel kind of like nauseous and just like ugh. But it's a beautiful day out, the sun is shining, so we are going to go on a walk. And I'm also wanting to get a picture of these nails, so I'm gonna like be searching high and low for either like a tree or like a bush that has like that pretty red color in it, and then put my nails like in front of it and take like a cheeky little picture. So yeah, it'll be like a little scavenger hunt kind of to find the prettiest bush, a pretty red bush to take a picture of my nails in front of. Other than that, I need to do some laundry today. I also want to read some more of my book, catch up on some reading, and of course edit the vlog. So yeah, just kind of have a chill, like at home day. I don't feel like driving anywhere today. I just have one of those days where I'm just like, just at home in my environment. Excuse the glasses marks on my nose. But anyway, we are back from the walk. It's such a nice day out, but it's super windy, and the leaves are really starting to change on like all the trees, so it looks so pretty. I wanted to like stop and take pictures. We tried to take some pictures of the nails. Hopefully they turn out. I'm gonna edit them now, and I'm gonna edit the vlog. But I also got an exciting package from Levi's, which I'll open and I'll show you. So this is what I got. Got this little t-shirt. Let me get it straightened out for you. This little t-shirt from Levi's. Yeah, it looks like it might be kind of like a cropped. I don't know. But here it is. It has like this really cool like flowers, and that just has like the logo. I also really like the colors. So yeah, just like a nice basic t-shirt to have to add to my wardrobe of t-shirts. guys, just thought I would update you all. I'm editing the vlog right now. I know it's like every time or every day it's like this is what I'm doing at this time, is editing the vlog. I'm kind of like on a routine now, but I'm not gonna lie, I am getting tired of editing these vlogs. I think after like 23 days of doing it, it's like becomes a little tiring. I only have what, like another week of this, which is crazy. I want October to be over, but yeah, that is what's going on right now. I'm going to then make some dinner, obviously, and no Voices on tonight, which is kind of sad because it's like my favorite show. But I think I'm just gonna watch like Gilmore Girls. I want to watch some like scary movies. I haven't watched any like this year. I love watching them in October, obviously, because it's Halloween. That's when I watch them mostly, is around Halloween. So I'm just like in that mood. Oh, yeah, they usually have a bunch of like scary movies on right now, especially like classic ones, and like I like the old ones, the classics. Yeah, I think this weekend I want to watch like some scary movies, and on Halloween I want to have like a nice bath and watch like a scary movie. Maybe have like a glass of red wine. That's like my perfect like Halloween night. So yeah, I am looking forward to Halloween. So yeah, anyway guys, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just rambling on and on. So I'm going to continue editing, and I will see you all a bit later. Also guys, just wanted to mention that these pumpkin pie Larabars are to die for. These are amazing. I'll put one in the microwave and like heat it up so it's like kind of warm. And then I'll take some of that Trader Joe's maple butter and spread that on it. And oh my god, it's so good. Best thing ever. But yeah, get your hands on these guys because they're limited edition and they're delicious. Vegan and gluten-free. Yes. Hi my loves, don't I look lovely? I have a mask on. I finally used my Lush Cosmetic Warrior one. They gave this to me the other day, and it has honey in it, tea tree oil, tofu, yogurt, Killoin, I think that's how you say that, and garlic, among other things. This is supposed to be really good for like acne and like problematic skin, I guess. I'm going through a bit of a breakout right now. That is slowly getting better, actually. I think it's that liquid gold, that sample of the Alpha H liquid gold that I got. I've been using that like every other night. So that might be helping too. So I don't know, but I'm gonna see what this does, because I've never used this one before. I love my Lush cup of coffee mask because the smell of that is just amazing. This one is more like smooth, whereas the cup of coffee one has the more exfoliating like coffee grounds in it. But this one's more of like a smooth mask. There are like little bits of stuff in it. I don't know if that's like the garlic or what that is, if you can see that. But anyway, this actually felt pretty good to put on because it was cold, so it kind of felt good to put on my face. You're supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes, and yeah, I don't think I read some of the reviews and some people said that it smelled like bad, but I don't think it doesn't bother me at all. It does smell of like tea tree oil. I don't really smell the garlic. So anyway, I am just gonna put this on, watch some Vlogtobers. I got my vlog up, which is a relief. I ate some dinner, watched Gilmore Girls, and so yeah, now I'm just gonna catch up on some Vlogtobers and just relax, and then go to bed. So thank you so much for watching today. I know it wasn't the most exciting day, but yes, thanks for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow, my lovelies. Good night.